The Canon EOS R50 stands out as a leading option for vloggers and entrepreneurs who prioritize both quality and convenience in their creative work. Designed with content creators in mind, this mirrorless camera combines advanced imaging capabilities with a compact, user-friendly design. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry anywhere, while intuitive controls ensure a smooth shooting experience for users of all skill levels. Whether you're capturing professional videos or dynamic photos, the EOS R50 offers the versatility and performance needed to elevate your content. This makes it an ideal companion for those looking to make a strong impression in the digital space. The Canon EOS R50 stands out for its compact and lightweight design, weighing just around 375 grams. This makes it an ideal companion for creators who are always on the move, as it easily fits into a bag or can be carried comfortably for extended periods. The camera features an intuitive layout, allowing both beginners and experienced users to navigate its controls with ease. Its ergonomic grip ensures stability during handheld shooting, while the streamlined body design supports quick setup and effortless operation. Overall, the EOS R50's portability and user-friendly interface make it especially suitable for dynamic, on-the-go content creation. The Canon EOS R50 stands out for its impressive image and video quality, thanks to its 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor. This high-resolution sensor captures crisp, vibrant photos that showcase fine details, making it ideal for both still photography and dynamic content creation. For video, the camera supports 4K recording at up to 29.97 frames per second, delivering smooth, detailed footage suitable for professional projects. Advanced autofocus technology ensures your subjects remain sharp and in focus, even during fast-paced shooting scenarios. These features combine to provide content creators with the tools needed to produce polished, professional-looking results. The Canon EOS R50 is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring a fully articulating touchscreen that makes framing shots and navigating menus effortless. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, you'll appreciate the camera's intuitive automatic settings, which allow you to capture great images without any technical hassle. For those who want more creative control, manual settings are readily accessible. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity enables you to share photos and videos instantly, making it easy to keep your audience engaged in real time. These thoughtful features ensure a smooth and enjoyable shooting experience for all users. The Canon EOS R50 stands out for its wide array of shooting modes, designed to adapt to any creative vision. Whether you're capturing striking portraits, sweeping landscapes, or vibrant scenes after dark, the camera provides tailored settings to optimize every shot. For video enthusiasts, slow motion and time-lapse features open up new possibilities for dynamic storytelling and engaging content. This versatility ensures that both photographers and videographers can easily switch between styles and scenarios. With the EOS R50, expressing your creativity is both accessible and intuitive, no matter the subject or environment. To make the most of your Canon EOS R50, start by paying close attention to lighting. Natural light or well-placed external lights can dramatically enhance your photos and videos, bringing out the camera's full sensor capabilities. Use the grid lines feature to help maintain balanced composition, ensuring your subjects are well-framed and visually appealing. For sharper results, stabilize your camera with a tripod or by resting it on a steady surface, especially during longer exposures or video shoots. Don't hesitate to experiment with creative shooting angles, as unique perspectives can add depth and interest to your content, helping your work stand out. The Canon EOS R50 stands out as a versatile and reliable tool for anyone looking to elevate their brand or creative projects. Its combination of portability, impressive image and video quality, and user-friendly features makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced content creators. With a range of shooting modes and practical connectivity options, The R50 adapts seamlessly to various creative needs. Whether you're vlogging, capturing product photos, or producing promotional videos, this camera empowers you to produce professional results with ease. For those seeking to enhance their content and make a lasting impression, the Canon EOS R50 is certainly worth considering.